Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we've got a run deal to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I did upload a few other DG videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. We have got tons of new clearance markdowns and tons of surprise penny items, so if you missed out on anything, I'm going to have all those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to apologize to you all because I told you all on Sunday and Monday I had plenty of videos planned out for us this week, and unfortunately, a few unforeseen things happened and your girl just had to take a couple days off and get caught up on everything. But I'm back in action, and I do have tons and tons and tons of clearance visuals to share with you all. So those will be rolling out next. So make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this run deal that we have for today only. Saturday, February the 11th. You can only do this deal today because the coupons do expire. Now, I also have a feeling that the shelves will be cleared, so my plan is to do all of my deals first thing this morning. That way I know I can get the products that I need for my transactions. Also, quick disclaimer, I am sitting in the DG parking lot, so if you guys hear any doors slamming, people talking, music going, loud vehicles, I do apologize in advance. So, jumping right into this deal, this week at Dollar General, we received this DG store coupon for spend 30, save $10 on P&G laundry products. In Sunday's video, I already explained this coupon is glitching because on the coupon it does state that we have to buy all 4 forms of the fabric products. However, you do not have to buy all 4 fabric products in order for this coupon to work. Now, also in Sunday's video, I told you guys that we would not know if this coupon would stack until Saturday. It is now Saturday. I have been trying out the deals, and it is, in fact, stacking and working with our 5 off 25 DG store coupons. So, now, there's a few different ways that y'all can mix and match and come out with a fantastic deal today. Again, if you need more options, go back and check out Sunday's video. It will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. But here's what I did. I picked up 2 of the Tide Power Pods at $9.95. We have a 305 off 1 digital coupon, and then we also have a 3 off 1 digital coupon on both of those products. Now, if you prefer Gain, you might want to substitute one of those Tides for one of the Gain laundry products priced at $9.95. We do have a 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon on those as well. Just be careful and make sure that you scan those Gain products. You want to make sure that that spend 30 plus your manufacturer coupon shows up underneath. And then you want to pick up one of the Dreft liquid laundry detergents. These are priced at $10.50, and we have a 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon for those as well. So if you pick up 3 of those products, that's going to put you over your $30 threshold. So then your spend 30, save 10 DG store coupon will come off, plus your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, and then all 3 of your manufacturer coupons. So again, I picked up 2 of the Tide Power Pods and 1 Dreft, and that brought my subtotal down to $6.40 for all 3 products. It basically works out to be a buy 1, get 2 free deal. And remember guys, you can only do this deal today on Saturday, February the 11th, because we do have coupons that are expiring. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody that if you are at an old register store today, meaning that if you go up to the register and they have like a computer keyboard underneath the screen, that is an old register. If you're at a store with an old register, make sure that you are looking around for penny items. There are still Christmas penny items out there. I just found one of the holiday scented Airwick Vibrants in the regular section, just tucked back in there with all the other Airwick Vibrant scents. So these are a penny right now. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. I threw that into my transaction, and guess what it brought it down to? $2.36 for all for products. And I'm not just talking Christmas items, guys. We have all kinds of medicines right now that have manufacturer coupons, which will give you overages if you are at an old register store. So get in there, look high, look low, look everywhere you go down your clearance aisle and scan everything. Make sure that you have your correct store location set. Here's a few more Christmas items that I just found yesterday. A couple of coloring books. We've got the Glade wax melts, some Betty Crocker sprinkles, and those gift card holders, which you can find up near the register. So again, scan, 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 look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And if you missed out on my surprise penny visual video, make sure that you go back and check it out. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I'm going to get this video uploaded to you all ASAP, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.